how to use Professor Dashboard to track student engagement. Enhanced Edition textbook instructors can track student engagement via the Instructor Dashboard. Once in a specific classroom, click the Dashboard button on the top right. Here you can see which students are enrolled in that classroom. The remaining tabs show how the students are engaging. The Analytics tab allows you to see how much reading students have completed overall with a per student average, as well as see the amount of reading completed over time. You can also see how students' reading aligns with the assigned due dates in the reading schedule. In the Analytics tab, you can also see the percentage of students who have completed each quiz, along with the average scores on both the students' first attempts and overall best scores. This can help tell you where your classroom needs further instruction. You can, of course, view the quiz scores on a student-by-student basis in the Scores tab. In the Polls tab, you can view the poll results for the questions you have posed to students. There are also 3 other tabs for other aspects of student engagement: discussions, reflection questions, and highlights, which you have made and shared with your students. In each of these, you can assess how many students have engaged with each type of tool.